hunt group allows calls to a single phone number to be distributed across multiple users. To create and administer a hunt group, navigate to the Call Manager drop-down on the left of the portal, followed by Hunt Group. To create a new hunt group, click on the Add button. You will need to enter a name into the group name field. This will be shown to extensions within the group on an inbound call. Give the group a representative number. If this is not populated automatically, you will need to select a number that is not already in use. Select the hunt group type. You can choose between circular, which will ring handsets in sequence, known as a round robin. First idle, which will ring the handset which took the last call into the group. Longest idle, which will call the handset that took a call the longest time ago. Or multi-ring, which will ring all handsets within the group at the same time. You should then set the following: ring to busy member when idle to use, and group no answer forward priority to use. You can enter a direct dial call number if you would like to route your calls here via an external number. Finally, select a company time schedule for the hunt group to be active within. Next, if you scroll down to the member section, click Change to add users to the hunt group. To do this, select the tick box next to a user's name, followed by the left arrow to move them into the group. Click on the Options tab next to Member to edit the call forwarding options. To add a call forward to the hunt group, first select the Type drop-down. You can select Use, which will always forward calls to the group. All members busy unregistered. This will forward calls in the event that all members are either busy or their handsets are unregistered. No answer. If a call to this group is not answered within a set amount of time, the call will forward. And a queuing overflow no answer, which uses a call queue with a maximum queue time after which a call is forwarded. In the destination field, you can enter where the call will be forwarded to. This could be either an external number, internal extension, or voicemail. You can then set a no answer timer for the forward to come into effect. You can then choose to upload a greeting to be played when the hunt group is called. By selecting Immediate Processing, members of the hunt group will be called whilst the caller listens to the message, or Processing After Greeting, which guarantees the caller hears the greeting before members of the hunt group are called. You can then browse and upload your greeting here. Finally, you can set Call Queuing on the hunt group. The number of calls to queue can be entered into the queue length field, and we can upload an announcement file to be played whilst the calls queue. We can then set a maximum duration time for the calls to queue. Once this time is exceeded, the call will be forwarded to the destination as set out above.